English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 12. Responses to a proposal. Let's grab lunch sometime. How would you reply? What would a native say? Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's head home early today. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? I'm in. I'm in. Let's try this restaurant. What would friends say? What do people actually say? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go see a movie. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Sure. Sure. Want to grab a coffee? What would you say here? What's the natural response? I'd love to. I'd love to. Let's take a break. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Good idea. Good idea. Let's go for a drive this weekend. What's the natural reply? How would a native answer? That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Let's check out a new cafe. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Let's study together. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's eat out today. Here's another common reply. What would you say? Works for me. Works for me. Let's talk while we walk. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? Why not? Why not? Let's get up early and go for a run tomorrow. How would you respond positively? What do people actually say? I'm down. I'm down. Let's take a trip together sometime. How would you show you're excited? How would you say it? Can't wait. Can't wait. Let's take a picture. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? You bet. You bet. Your treat next time. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? Deal. Deal. Absolutely. Absolutely. Works for me. Works for me. Why not? Why not? I'm down. I'm down. Can't wait. Can't wait. You bet. You bet. Deal. Deal. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.